pros and cons of living in Tucson, Arizona, and why this desert city might just change your life forever. I have spent significant time here, so I want to cut through the noise and show you the real picture. You might think it is just a hot retirement spot, but the truth about the local economy is surprising. Tucson is a sprawling city that feels surprisingly intimate thanks to its deep cultural roots. People here are friendly, and you really get a sense of community that is rare in big metros. The food scene is world-class, holding a global designation for being a capital of gastronomy. Let us talk money, because housing prices are about 3% below the national average here. You can find a decent home for a lower price, but remember that utilities will spike in the summer. It is important to remember that electricity costs rise sharply when you run air conditioning daily. I recall stepping outside in July, and the heat truly hit me like a physical wall. It was intense. The desert sun is unrelenting, so you must prepare for months of staying indoors during the daytime. Some people love the dry climate, but I found the lack of green spaces challenging for my mood. Despite the heat, the outdoor lifestyle is top tier with trails that offer incredible sunset views. That surprise I mentioned earlier, it is the job market, which is growing faster than many expected. You will find big opportunities in aerospace and technology, which helps drive the local economy. Safety is a mixed bag, as property crime rates remain higher than the national average in areas. I did not expect the crime rate to be this high in certain parts of town. It really gave me pause. You should always research specific neighborhoods, because safety varies wildly block by block. If you commute, expect to drive everywhere, as public transportation is limited and quite slow. Imagine you need to get to work, you will likely spend 20 minutes in your car in heavy traffic. There is no rail system to rely on, so owning a reliable vehicle is basically a requirement here. First, take a trip during the summer months to see if you can handle the extreme desert temperatures. Second, visit local neighborhoods at night, so you can gauge the safety for your own peace of mind. Third, check current job listings in your specific field to see if the local market fits your goals. Moving is a personal journey, so look at the data, but trust your gut to find your next true home.